Ready to create your conference signups in ParentSquare? Here's how. First, start with a new post, then choose Appointment Signups. Now you're going to build your schedule, add the days, start time, end time. Click Add Another Day to add all of the days that you want to offer. You can add the duration of the appointment, add a break in between, and then you can choose the option to hide the names of the users who sign up to other people signing up, and then you could limit the appointments to one person per time slot. Then choose Next. You can review your responses, the duration of the appointments, and then on this screen you can customize the title and remove any unwanted time slots that you don't want to offer. And then finally, you can customize your message that will go out with the appointments offered. When you're ready, you can hit preview. Then you can post it, you can schedule it for later, or save it as a draft, and you're all set.